Hello, welcome or welcome back. This question is, how can I share information between notebooks in NotebookLM? Okay, I will give you two answers to this. One that one that I know I've talked about in here before, and one that I'm pretty sure I haven't. So first off, we're actually going to go to Gemini. So this is gemini.google.com. And if you go to the little add files plus here, you can select NotebookLM, and this will bring up all of your notebooks that are associated with that account. And let's just pick the first two. Let's say that I wanted information from these two notebooks. I can click on both of them and then add them to a prompt, and then I could just type in whatever prompt I wanted. And it depends on what you want to do, obviously, but doing this, you can combine, and you don't have to limit it to two. You can combine information from however many notebooks you want to select from here. So I could select these 5 notebooks if I wanted, etc. So that's one way. That's probably my preferred way, just because it's just really straightforward and really simple. And then I have full use of all the tools within Gemini. And that one I've talked about in here before. The other way, if you stay in NotebookLM, so this is notebooklm.google.com, and this is just their homepage. And I'll just go into the test notebook here. And let's say that I wanted, so I don't want Tetris. Let's say that I just wanted this source. So I unchecked this one and I left this one checked. And it's a PDF report about AI with nonprofits. So let's say that I wanted information from this, and you kind of have to have an idea of what information you want from the source, but I will go to reports and I'll keep this fairly straightforward. So I'll just do a briefing doc, which is just a summary, like an overview of whichever sources I've selected. And yeah, I'll leave that the way it is. And I'll generate a briefing doc from this one source. And this will probably take a second, so I will pause and then I'll come back when this is done. Okay, that didn't take too long. So now here is the briefing doc. Again, just done a minute ago, and State of AI Nonprofits. So same name is here, and it's a briefing doc. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this briefing doc and I'm going to download it. I'm going to convert it to a Google Doc and then download it. And then I'm going to upload it to whichever notebook that I wanted in as a source. So I click over here to the little ellipsis, and this one I will export to docs, and that'll open up a new screen. And here's the report. So this is the briefing doc. It's got it's a numbered list, 7 items, just to confirm that that's what's in here. I'll open this up, an executive summary, and then 1, 2, 3, etc. through number 7. So same report here. And I'm going to take this. Now this is the name of it, the State of AI Nonprofits 2025 Benchmark Report. And I'm going to come back to NotebookLM, and then I'm going to go to a new notebook. And I don't know where I want to put that. I'll just put it in the recipes one because it's here. And then I'll come to add sources, and now I'm going to go to Drive because that's where I have it. And right here, it's the first one, and we insert that. And now this is in my other notebook. If I open this, again, same thing, executive summary. No, I don't want that summary. So executive summary, and 1, 2, 3, etc. through number 7. Again, just to verify, executive summary 1, 2, 3 through 7. So this is the same report, and now I'm in a completely different notebook. Again, we started in the test notebook with this source, and now I'm in my recipes notebook with the same briefing doc. So putting it all together, if I want to take information and from one notebook in NotebookLM and have it available in a different notebook, I can go into Google Gemini and I can click on the plus and go to NotebookLM and then select 2 or more notebooks that I want to add and add to the prompt and then prompt it from there. Or I can stay within NotebookLM and I can go to whichever the first notebook is, select whichever sources, and I don't have to only do one source. I don't have that many sources in this one, but I could do 50 sources if I wanted. And create a report. Again, I did a briefing doc. You don't have to do a briefing doc. Like if you want more information or just some other details, it's actually better, I think, to just do a custom report and then you can describe exactly what you want. But I did a briefing doc just in the sake of time. And once the briefing doc was done, export it to Docs and to Google Docs. And then I have this doc, which is the same report. And then I went to a different notebook and I just added that Google Doc as a source. And now I have it available here and I can do whatever. So I can combine this source with what was in here. I can chat with it. I can create artifacts. I can do whatever I want. So hopefully that answers your question and we'll see you next time.